back to JK Catering. Today we're going to make a classic dish called chicken under gravel. If you have leftover chicken from the night before and don't know what to do with it, this recipe will be good for that. And all you need to do is have your chicken that's pre-cooked, about 2 pounds of it, pour in a bowl. You want 16 ounces of sour cream, 2 cans of creamy chicken soup, get all that flavor out of there. And now you're going to need to stir this up. Stir it up real good. Get it all mixed and incorporated. You can do this with leftover turkey for Thanksgiving too. It's a good way to get rid of some chicken and turkeys. You don't have everybody eating it all up. I'm sure it's mixed real good. Put this bowl over here. I'm going to take a pan. And we're going to spray the pan, the sides and bottom. And then we're going to pour the mixture in the pan. Spread that out good. Then we're going to take some cheese. Do the shredded cheddar cheese. About 2 cups. You want to sprinkle it all over the top of the mixture. If you want to use a different cheese, you can use any kind of cheese you want. Now we're going to take some Ritz crackers, about 6 ounces, somewhere around 2 packs. We're going to crumble them up all over the top of it. The Ritz crackers is like your gravel. You want to put different kind of crackers on until you can. You can put saltines on it. Now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. We'll set the timer for 30 minutes and we'll check the temperature then. And we'll see how it comes out. Now that our 30 minutes are up, we can turn around and check the chicken on the gravel and see if it's done. It smells good. Got a nice lightly brown crust on it. Make sure it's a 165. That way you know it's cooked all the way through. And we are at 167. I believe she is done. We'll turn the oven off. I'm going to take this over the counter and plate. That's so good. Plate some up. Nice and creamy. Got a nice crust on it. Get a spoon. And there you have it. Chicken on the gravel. It's a very good dish to get rid of your scrap chicken and leftover turkeys. Whichever you want to do. Doesn't take that long. It's not that many ingredients. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of JK Catering. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit like, share, subscribe, and the ding dong button to get notifications of more videos coming out. Again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.